Don't touch me.
Hey,
that's illegal.
If you point your finger in my face one more time, you're gonna go to jail.
On October 10th, 2023, police got reports of a drunk teenager driving. Confronting the suspect, he got increasingly angry.
What's your name?
Man, you're the one that put me over the other night.
Chris?
Yes.
Dude, are you driving anywhere?
No, I was parked here. You see me parked here.
Yeah,
I'm not driving, bro.
Not driving?
I'm not driving.
Alright, so we got a report that you were driving the vehicle. I didn't see you driving it.
No, you
but
didn't. I've been here all night, dog. Don't fuck with me.
The whole reason I'm here is because I got a call. I'm being cool with you, Chris. You don't have to be all upset with me.
Alright.
Alright, but look.
My car's clean, so don't
Call your dad.
Yeah,
I mean, obviously there's alcohol in the vehicle,
Yeah,
the
yours?
containers.
You're drinking in my car. Yeah.
Dude, like if you're in your car drinking and stuff, people are gonna start thinking you're driving around and stuff. Like I said, I got to call.
See me out the car, right?
I saw you get out of it.
He's got a point, bro.
Nah, I got you.
Look, man, so I'm trying
People
to
reported it.
so
I'm
I
gonna
gotta
walk home. You can leave me alone,
We're gonna
right?
walk home.
Yeah. I'm a civilian.
Okay. Yeah,
Right,
I can
I'm
see like a
civilian.
bunch of open containers in the car.
I'm coming.
What was your last name, Chris?
Doesn't matter.
It kind of does. I'm out here after.
Alright.
Just like the other day, man. There's a.
Alright, take me a risk.
I'm not gonna arrest you, but.
Christopher, bro. I have a warrant in Santa Rosa.
I know. I told you about it.
Yeah, I know.
But
So
it's
you know
not-
what I'm going to arrest for.
You're not gonna get
Come on,
arrested.
dog.
for-
You're going to arrest me anyway.
Just stop,
Hey.
bro. Please.
Bro, you're going to arrest
Hey.
me.
No, I'm not. You have
Chris.
a warrant out of Santa Rosa, and
Leave
it's
me, bro.
Bro, leave me the f alone. You too. Man. For real. Leave me the f alone. You don't know nothing about
Can I
this.
just go then?
What was your name?
Yeah, let him go,
Nathan.
nigga.
Nathan. What was your last name?
Let him go, bro.
Hold on.
He's going home.
Like I said, I gotta do what I gotta do, man. If you're getting like this, then it's gonna start causing issues.
I told him not
You
to
ain't
like
trouble,
keep
bro.
driving, so we pulled over here.
We weren't drinking in the car. We were drinking at the spot. Now with the keys and the ignition, you can check.
Nathan.
Keys
Of
with the
98.
ignition. We're drinking with the car and the ignition.
No, we're just
Exactly.
Like
I have
know
a whole
for sure,
system,
like,
bro.
You're super intoxicated right
Yeah,
now. That's why I'm like
he
telling you.
is.
Yeah, am I?
It's obvious.
Like I said-
Am I intoxicated?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I can tell you are. It's not illegal to be drunk.
Let me call my dad. Can he pick up my car?
It's as simple as it is, you know?
Shut up, homie.
Well, like I said, I didn't.
His
see
mouth
you guys
shut.
You just go before he starts.
You can
asking
head out.
me.
Let that nigga go, bro. Go. You sent some more.
Look.
Alright, hey, yeah, do something right now.
Hey, Chris. Chris.
Give me a trouble right now.
Chris.
I'm not.
Get back over here. Get back over here. Get back out of the street.
Come on. See you at your.
Hey.
Rata. I gotta piss, man. Can
05.
I piss
No,
somewhere?
Not right now. Unless you can get inside. This is your cousin's house, you said?
Oh yeah.
You can get your cousin inside. I'm gonna shut this door, okay?
Don't f the car, man.
I just shut your door. I'm not messing with your car.
Don't get close to my cousin's house. He doesn't like that.
Alright, I'll hang out right
This
here.
is his property, man. So I'm gonna piss in front of his house.
No.
You're gonna leave
No,
it
you're
alone.
not. You're not gonna pee outside right now.
Look, man, I ain't got.
I know, but you're not gonna pee
Hey,
outside
you
right
wanna
now.
check me first, please?
No, dude. Like I
I
said,
have to pee.
Hey, I
I'm
need
gonna
you
pee
to.
right here.
I need you to hang out real quick.
I ain't gonna.
No, I'm not.
Leave me alone. Just let me go home. I'm gonna walk. I'm not in the car. I never drove it. You didn't see me driving it. Right? You have not seen me driving the car.
Hey, call your dad.
There's no keys
Call
in
your
the
dad.
ignition. You have not seen me driving the car.
Call your dad. Go ahead and shut the door, though. Call your dad.
Nah, but you haven't seen me driving the car. Have you? You see me driving the car?
No, that's what I'm saying. Call your dad.
Okay, you didn't see
Call
me
your
drive-
dad.
Okay, yes sir. Man, please leave me alone, man. I got Casey Penny, man. Please leave me the alone. Y'all like to with me, bro. This is the third time, bro, and it's always you.
Dude, honestly, that first time, I just happened to run into you and you were involved in that fight.
Okay, shake my hand.
This time, I gotta
leave me
call.
alone.
No, well, I have to stay here, dude. I can't just let you go.
What the f am I doing to you that you're with me like this? It's f***ed up, man. Check my car. Hey, will you
you
check my
fighting?
car? Fuck with you.
Oh, man.
Hey, but you don't have permission to check my
Damn,
car,
can you
okay?
get 87 over here?
Hey, you don't have permission to check my car.
Okay. I'm not checking your car, dude.
Hey, no, but I'm
Yeah.
telling you, get your probable cause.
Look, dude.
Look inside my car and tell me what your probable
Hey,
cause is.
I need you to chill out. Are you
I'm
calling your
not.
dad? Are you calling your dad?
Yeah,
I told you to call your
I
dad. right?
am.
All right, call him.
so don't call so cars come over here with my dad. I don't need that. My dad doesn't need that. Keep it off shut, and we'll keep it cool.
The way you're acting is gonna cause more problems than anything right now.
Bro.
The way you're acting. Look, I was cool with you last time, right?
Yes, you were.
And I'm cool with you this time. The thing is, my patience is gonna run thin if you keep acting this way.
Okay, I'm sorry, man.
All right, so call your dad.
Man, you don't have to pull up on me like that.
No, I kind of did because I got a call that you were driving. I didn't see you driving, but
You did not get a call that I was driving. Because I was not fucking driving. That's driving? Did you see me driving personally?
no, you were parked here when I came through.
Exactly.
Okay.
Pipe down and don't say you know what the is going on, because you don't.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm
Sorry.
telling you what I got. All right, no,
Sorry,
that's
homie.
cool. Just call your
Just give me a handshake.
I already did like 5 times already.
Okay, give me some respect.
All right. Look,
Yes, sir.
call your
I'll
dad.
call my parent. I'll call my parentals.
Okay.
They're right here, so I'll give them a call.
Come back over here. Just hang out right here with the car.
No, you come over here. It's my parents.
Where at? Where are you?
Come on, it's my parentals.
Where are you headed?
You got a cameraman? Lake Street. Come on, man.
Lake Street's that way.
Nah, Lake Street's this way. Nah, that's actually a whole different street, man.
Oh, this is Guadalupe,
Yeah, man.
and then you got
Lake Street's that way.
Mesquite.
We're on Lake Street.
No, we're not. This is Shaw.
This is a cop shop right there, dog. It's a whole church. It's Guadalupe Street.
No, Guadalupe's right here.
You know you can't get in my car. It's locked, right?
I'm not in your car.
I know. You're not gonna take my system out, right? No. I have a whole bad car system. If someone takes it out, what's your name?
Officer, check on.
Hey, actually, what's your name? Hold on, let me get a video of you. What's up? I need you to pick up my car. I'm on. What's the address? You're a cop. You know the address.
What is the address here?
Come on, you're a cop. What's your name and your badge number, dog? Z Chacon. What's your name and your badge number, man?
Same one that talked to you the other day, dude.
What's your name and your badge
Same
number?
guy that talked to you the other day.
What's your name and your badge number, man?
What's up, man? How are you, brother?
What's up? I'm waiting for my dad to pick me up. He's gonna pick up my car.
Walk 508.
He's driving
Shaw.
me. He's getting my shit legal.
Where's your dad at?
What's your name, Dad? It's down. He's on. Shut up. You're on speaker.
What'd you say? Well, your dad, Christopher. Don't talk.
I know what you are. What's the address? I'll give it to my pops.
You can't see?
Now you can see though, you're a whole cop.
You wanna go
You see
check?
everything, right?
Are you supposed to be here?
Shut the fuck up. Quit talking.
I'm not doing nothing, man.
Go knock on the door. He said that this is his cousin's house.
Yeah, knock on the door. My cousin won't answer, man. My dad's gonna pull up and take my car home. Little tall ass motherfucker with that unextraditable. I got the money to pay it.
Dude, I talked to you the other day. I need you to chill out.
You know, man. You got please me.
Is that your dad on the phone? Is he on his way?
Can I go home?
Is that your dad? Was that your dad on
Man,
the
I'm
phone?
a whole civilian, bro. Can I go home? I have to check my car. Hey, you know what? You can look through my car. I don't have nothing in that motherfucker. I just want to go home. I gotta piss. Dick is full. I gotta piss. Let's y'all give me a place to piss, dog. I'm not pissing at the county. Y'all fuck with me right now. Third time, man. I gotta piss. So I'm gonna piss on y'all, baby.
You're gonna leave your car right here.
Yes, I'm gonna leave my car right here.
Is that your dad?
No, it doesn't matter. I'm going home. No one is driving the car here. I'm going home. I'm a civilian, right? I'm a civilian, right? Hello? I know where I called.
I'm not shaking your hand.
Why you
No, I don't know what you.
you fake?
Look like you got beer all over you and you're drunk.
Oh, for real?
I don't know what you do with your
All
hand.
right. Well, I'm on the phone with my parentals.
How old are you?
I'm a grown man. I'm 18.
Oh, okay.
I'm old enough to leave.
You're a grown man.
Right?
Yeah, go ahead and leave.
Okay. I'll leave. So
We're gonna tow your car, so go ahead and leave.
You gonna tow my car?
Yeah, go.
So what's the name of it?
Take off.
What's the name of it then?
Go ahead and leave.
So I can get the person to tow it.
We'll call you when it's done. What's your number?
You don't have to worry about my number.
Well, then you're gonna have to
I'll
figure
get
it
the
out
person
now.
to tow it yourself.
No, yeah, we're gonna tow it if you leave.
Nah, I was getting to pull it myself. Girl, man, around here.
Okay, yeah, you're too drunk
Hey.
to drive, so
Nah, I wasn't even driving at all. So I can't fuck you. There's no key in the car. There's no keys
If
at
you
all.
touch me, you're gonna go to jail.
Hey, stand
I
over
already
man.
know.
Stand back there. If you touch me, you're gonna go to jail. Do you understand me?
Okay, then
Stand
get
back
out my
over there.
face,
Stand
man.
back over there.
I'm on the phone, man.
Stand
Why,
back
you
over
want me
there.
to touch you, bro? Leave me alone,
Stand over
please.
here.
Stand over there.
Please leave me alone, man.
Stand over there.
Hey, walk this way,
Over here,
man.
just to the
Man, I'm on the phone. Hey, look.
Stand right there.
Don't get in my car,
Stand
man.
right there.
That's
Not in your
illegal.
car. Chris.
Get in my car. That's illegal, man.
Chris.
Look, you're looking in
Don't
my
touch us.
car. That's
Chris.
illegal. Don't touch me.
Hey,
That's illegal.
I'm telling you.
Don't touch me, man. That's illegal.
I'm telling you, stand right here, and you can talk on the phone,
Okay.
but you can't be getting in people's faces.
But y'all
and
can't be
acting a
looking at
fool.
my so leave me the fuck alone.
All right.
Right?
Who are you on the
So
phone
you
with?
need time to get out my shit.
Stop.
Don't
Stop.
touch me, bro.
Stop.
Don't touch me, bro, because you be feeding my food tomorrow, bro. Look at this motherfucker. Better
Chris.
tell the boy to stop looking at my shit. That's illegal.
Are you on the phone with your dad?
Yes, I am.
All right.
What does it matter? Doesn't
We
matter
need to come
if you.
pick you up in the
Leave
car.
me alone, man.
Who's coming to get you? Because you're not driving.
I don't know. My dad's gonna get my car.
Where's
You're
your
gonna
dad?
stop looking into it.
There's nothing wrong with
Looking
that.
inside of my car. I know there's nothing wrong with
I'm
it.
not shaking your hand.
Okay, let go of your gun, man.
I'm not touching my gun.
Yeah, you're touching his tongue, man.
I'm touching
Fucking
my
spray it then.
tourniquet.
Tourniquet. For what? Is that gonna get fucking... Alright. My dad's coming for the gun. My dad's coming for the car.
For the what?
For the car.
Why'd you say gun? You have a gun in the
Because
car?
you're touching the fucking gun, motherfucker. You're scaring me, dog.
Go ahead. If you punch, if you
scaring me.
touch me, I'm gonna flop you. You're gonna go to jail. You understand?
Okay.
Do that again and you're gonna go to
Hey,
jail.
Pop, pull up quick.
Do that again and you're gonna go to jail.
Hey, Pop, pull up. What's the address?
508.
If you
West
punch your
McKay.
finger in my face one more time, you're gonna go to jail.
508. 508.
Give me your hand, Chris.
I'm not drinking. I'm not retaining. I'm not retaining, sir. I gotta pee.
I don't know why you're acting stupid.
I'm trying to.
Get up.
Get up.
Man, can my dad pick up?
Get up.
My dad's on the way. Man, I gotta pee, man. Can I pee real quick?
Pee your pants, I don't care.
Esteban Martinez, I gotta pee, man.
All right.
My dad's gonna pick up the car, though.
No, he's not.
The suspect was charged with DUI and resisting without violence.